Hello boaters, today I am sitting on a G3 Bay 17 and I tell you what, there are a couple things about an aluminum boat like this you gotta love. The first is, unlike fiberglass, you basically hose it, scrub it, rinse it, you're done. It's low maintenance, it's really hard to damage, and it weighs next to nothing. When you look at trailer weights, this boat is going to be a piece of cake. You could probably tow it with a Prius, don't quote me on that. But there's a whole lot more to check out. So come on down here and let's look at this boat closely. Meanwhile, this boat's got the goods where it counts. For a bay boat, it's got everything you need. You got your battery box there, the live well in the center, storage on this side. Of course, you can see you got your Minn Kota Maxxum up front so you can creep up on the fish in the shallows. Come on, keep looking, let's go aft. You've got a cooler underneath the forward console seat, 3 rod holders down the side of the console. You've got rod racks along the gunnels, and I like that they put these racks here for your lights. You have a full set of gauges at the helm. You got plenty of room to binnacle mount your electronics and a nice big casting deck aft. A lot of people seem to think that you gotta have a fiberglass boat in order to go fishing out on the saltwater bays and rivers. And that's just not the case. In fact, an aluminum boat like this G3, A, does the trick. It works great in salt, and B, it also works great in fresh. You can use this as a bass fishing machine. You can go hunt walleye with it, whatever. If you're interested in a 17-foot fishing boat that is really easy to own, maintain, and easy to tow, take a look.